Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on personalized posts in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the X app. Here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts. But from here we have to swipe to the right and then scroll down and go into settings and support and tap on settings and privacy. Here, if we scroll down a bit, we find privacy and safety. And under privacy and safety, we tap on content you see. And here we tap on explore settings. Here, under the personalization title, we can turn on or turn off trends for you, which means that the X app is going to suggest posts to us that are likely to be appreciated by us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.